Rick's inside because it's fucking pouring, so I left him in your office. Are you home now? Oh.
No.
Go to the gym. We'll clean together.
Oh.
How's that for dirty slut?
Oh!
Ooh, righty. Off the ground. Does it feel like it's a texture issue or just fucking too heavy?
No, it's definitely not texture. It feels great. It's just heavy. Oh. Right.
But when you're freaking slacking, like 20 pounds difference. It's gonna come.
So hard to...
Now you're switching sides. Do you feel like the thumb side matters depending on what you're trying? Because you're doing a different thumb side for right and left hand.
Well, I think it's the balance. I think it just balances better if this side's on the front. But I don't think I've ever hit my right hand right here. I'll do that next time.
Because maybe you're just getting a better thumb bite with that thumb on that side.
Yeah. Oh.
What the fuck was that? Big old fucking loogie right in the mouth. That's what you call a lift. That's more level.
Oh.
All you gotta do is fucking put your thumb on the other side. And it could just be slight off center.
Yeah.